we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the...
Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to Ethnic Nature. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my potato juice. I make my potato juice, I mix the potato with my fenugreek. This fenugreek juice, I've actually made a video on it showing you guys how I actually make it. So if you would like to see how I make this juice, I'd recommend that you go and watch it on my other videos, and you'll be able to see how I make this fenugreek juice. This is what I apply on my hair. It's amazing, totally amazing for the hair. So you can apply this on your hair. And so I mix it with my potato as well, so that I'll show you how I'm going to apply it. So soon after I make this juice, I'm going to also show you guys how I actually apply it on my hair. These are the different ingredients that I'm using on my natural hair to grow it. So guys, if you want to try some of these things, I would recommend you try them, right? Okay, so let's get into it. So take a container. Where is my sock? There it is. Okay. And then make sure you've got a sock, which you will need to put into the container. So put the sock around the container. Okay, like so. Right, then we take all of that juice and we pour it down into the container, like so. Hi everyone. Okay, so you saw me when I was making my fenugreek and potato juice. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I actually apply it on my hair. So tomorrow is my wash day. So what I normally would like to do is I always try and put in, some different ingredients, and I think I'd put in something else in my hair, but this is the particular one that I wanted to show you guys as I apply it to my hair. Okay, so what you do first and foremost is that I've spritzed my hair, I've put some water on it so that it's going to be easy to apply. So what I then do is that I will unravel each section and apply the fenugreek mixture to it. Okay, so when you're applying this fenugreek mixture, so make sure that you've partitioned your hair into 5 sections. So I only use 5 sections. Okay, so what I'll do is with my hair, I'll first just finger detangle it quickly because tomorrow is wash day.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down?